Students, now you're seeing the different types of the glass phase. So mostly we are going to using for the pharmaceutics laboratory. So I would like to discuss one after the other. So this is the beaker. So this is the beaker is having a 100 ml beaker. It is mostly made up of the borosilicate glass. So all the glass phase you are seeing here will be made up of the borosilicate glass. So this is called the spatula. Mainly we are going to using for the mixing. And also you are taking the chemical. So you are going to mixing and you are going to taking the chemical from these like this portion and you are going to mixing this case. So two-way option is there in the spatula. And this is the glass rod. Also will be using for mostly for the you want to go for the rapid stirring and rapid mixing on the beaker. So you want to go to 4 in the balance. So the proper mixing will be done with the help of this glass rod. And this is the dropper. So we are taking onto the 1 drops or 2 drops or 3 drops mostly with the help of this dropper. And this is the measuring cylinder. Mostly it is a 10 ml measuring cylinder. So mostly you are going to placing for any liquid samples. And this is for the this is the 25 ml measuring cylinder. Mostly you are going to using for the liquid products. And this is the larger beaker. It is having the capacity of 250 ml. Mostly you are going to using. This is also a small beaker is there. The small beaker capacity is 100 ml. And the larger beaker is also there. So the larger beaker capacity is 250 ml. And these are the pezels and motors. So with the help of the trituration or mixing or rapid mixing or rapid trituration, we are going to done with the help of this pezzel and motor. So this is the small pezzel with motor and this is the larger pezzel capacity. Mostly it is made up of the porcelain. Saying that heating water bath. So the heating water bath is having the main button and load button and we are having the regulator for the temperature. Generally we are going to placing the 60 degrees centigrade. So in the inside of this you are seeing that so the panels will be there. That means the caps will be there. The caps will be try to remove all the caps from the water bath. So inside you are seeing that the water is there. Lab recording the simple cell preparation. Okay. So how you will weigh the electronic weight balance. So this is the electronic weight balance. So after you are on the button, then it is showing the digital display for the weight. So this is the weighing paper. So how you will go for weighing means so take the folded papers. So 4 sides folding you need to take it. So 4 sides folding I will be done. So after that I will place it on the electronic weighing balance. Then I will go for tail the option. So once the paper is tailed, then I will take this spatula and the required chemicals. The required chemical is first is the sugar. So I will go for weighing on the electronic weighing balance. So I would like to take for that. So after weighing is done, so you make these quantities properly. So I weighed sucrose 6.67. Okay, 6.67 mgs. So according to the Indian Pharmacopoeia, 66.7 grams of sucrose is dissolving in 100 ml for making the simple syrup. Okay, for that I am going to preparing 6.67 grams. So this 6.67 grams, after weighing is done, then I will take the distilled water. Okay, so the distilled water, so this is the distilled water. So the distilled water I will go for taking onto the measuring cylinder. So this is a 10 ml. So I would like to go for taking on the beaker. So today I would like to go for preparing the 20 ml of syrup, simple syrup. So initially I will taking the half volume 10 ml. After that I would like to go for adding the sucrose to this water. So all the chemical without wastage you will go for adding into the beaker. Then with the help of this spatula you will go for stirring. So the rapid stirring will be avoided. Instead of rapid stirring you will go for done with the smooth stirring operation. If you are done rapid stirring, the expelling of the liquid will be taking place. So that is the reason you will go for done with the very smooth mixing operation with the help of the spatula with the help of the glass rod. So after that you are seeing that the insoluble sugar particles are there. That insoluble sugar particles will be solubilized by the help of heating on water bath. So before you are oning the water bath, the temperature is adjusted to 60 degrees centigrade. After 15 minutes of the time, just open any one lid and place the beaker onto the heating water bath. So you should wait for 15 minutes. In that 15 minutes, you will go for continuously stir it. Just wait for 15 minutes on the water bath. Students, now you see that there is no undissolved particles in this beaker. So after proper mixing is done, the water bath, so the temperature is going to increases the solubility of the sucrose. Later, I would like to prepare 20 ml of the simple syrup. So remaining 10 ml is there. Initially I added only 10 ml of the distilled water. So remaining 10 ml, now I would like to go for adding. So remaining 10 ml I will add total quantity of the simple syrup I am making is 20 ml. So after adding the remaining half volume of the distilled water, once again you will go for doing the mixing. After properly mixing is done, then now finally produce the simple syrup, then you are observing under the light. Okay, so this beaker is very transparent and you are going to observing under the light. If any undissolved particles are there, still you need mixing operation. Stirring operation is done. So after completely all particles are solubilized in a beaker, then the final product you are going to measure it. So the final product I would like to go for measuring. I will prepare a 20 ml. Okay, so I need a 20 ml of the measuring cylinder, 25 ml of the measuring cylinder. Okay, so I prepare total 20 ml of the product. So I am transferring the product into the measuring cylinder for measuring. So whether I got 20 ml or not. Okay, I got 20 ml exactly. Okay, so the finalized product, this 20 ml, it is going to transfer into the container. So this bottle. So we are having a dispensing bottle. So today we are done. It is not a light sensitive product. So it will be light resistant product only. So we would like to go for transferring this product into the container, and you need to try to fix the label. So I would like to show the master formula and label in this video. Okay. So after preparing the product is transferred into the container. This is the dispensing container for making and dispensing the product into the to the patient or to the consumer. So I would like to properly open the cork and bottle. You should observe that this bottle is dry or not. If any wetness is there inside of the bottle, we should properly dry.
MS Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences.
Hello students, today we will learn about the preparation of syrup IP66. Introduction to the experiment. Syrups are sweet, viscous, concentrated solutions of sucrose or other sugars in water or any other suitable aqueous vehicle. The pharmacopoeial syrups have a high concentration of sucrose, that is 66.7% weight by weight according to IP, which is necessary for stability. Stronger solutions tend to crystallize and dilute solutions can support microbial growth. Therefore, at 66.7% weight by weight, simple syrup acts as a self-preservative. Aim: to prepare and submit 20 grams of simple syrup IP. Requirements: beaker, glass rod, water bath, measuring cylinder, weighing balance. Official formula: sucrose 66.7 grams, purified water, quantity sufficient 100 grams. Experimental procedure: weigh a 100 ml empty beaker and note the weight. Weigh the calculated quantity of sucrose in the same beaker. Place half the quantity of purified water in the beaker. Dissolve sucrose by heating with occasional stirring. Cool the solution and add purified water to make up the required weight. Category: pharmaceutical aid, that is a vehicle, and sweetening agent. Storage: store in a cool, dry place. Presentation of results: draw a label.
Hello students, today let us learn how to prepare syrup IP66. Aim of the preparation is to prepare and submit 20 gram of syrup IP66. Syrups are sweet, viscous, concentrated preparations of sucrose in water or in any other aqueous vehicles. As per Indian Pharmacopoeia, sucrose concentration should be 66.7% weight by weight. This preparation can be used as a pharmaceutical aid, that is, as a vehicle in any other medicated syrup, or as a sweetening agent. For this preparation, you will require a digital balance. Digital balance will be used to weigh the ingredients. A 100 ml beaker. Preparation will be prepared using a beaker. A glass rod. Glass rod will be used for stirring purpose. A pipette. Pipette is used to measure some ingredients. Spatula. Spatula will be used to weigh the ingredients required for the preparation. Burner, lighter. Heating will be carried out using a burner and a lighter. Water bath. Water bath is used for heating, and a tripod stand. Tripod stand is used to place the water bath. Preparation will be added into a suitable container. Now let us start the preparation. To begin with, we require beaker. Take the beaker, place it on the balance. Note down the initial weight of the beaker. Then tare the balance. Now you can see that the weight of the beaker has become 0. Now take sucrose and weigh the calculated quantity of sucrose, which is 13.34 grams. Now take the distilled water or purified water, pipette, and add it to the preparation till the weight of the preparation shows 20 gram. Now let us light the burner. Keep a water bath on a tripod stand and allow the water to heat up. Once the water is heated up, place the weighed ingredients inside the water bath. Using a glass rod, occasionally stir the preparation until all the sucrose has been dissolved into the purified water. After some time, you can see that all the sucrose has been dissolved in the preparation and the preparation is ready. Take it out from the heating source, wipe the beaker and allow it to cool for some time. Once the beaker has attained the room temperature, let us weigh it. It was noted in the beginning that the weight of the empty beaker was 53 grams. Now you can see along with the preparation, it should be 73, but it is showing 72.88 grams. To make it up, the weight, pipette, a very small amount of purified water, and you can add it. Until the preparation is 20 grams. Once the preparation is done, let us transfer it into a suitable container. After the preparation is transferred to a suitable container, prepare the label with necessary informations and stick it to the container and submit the product. This completes the experiment.